Hey everybody, welcome back to GLR. It's been a few weeks since my last update. I've not done any videos up till now, really because the work that's been done on our house isn't going to plan, but I'll leave all the violins first another time. But this week's video, I am doing a gift for my local comic book store. Now this comic book store is called the Fantastic Store. It's in Ryde on the island where I live, and this is one of the only places that I could possibly be going to have my nerd needs met. I've been practicing that because I can trip over the words sometimes. These guys that run the shop, Sophie, Gaz, Dennis, they are the loveliest of people. Nothing's too much trouble. They're always happy to see you. And without businesses like this, local businesses, the high street is a really corporate place. So these local businesses are what makes life good, and they help everyday life get a little bit brighter for the geeks and nerds among us. So without further ado, here is the sketch, or the video of the sketch that I've done for them as a gift, and I hope you like it, and we'll see you guys just after. there it is, the finished comic book drawing of your comic shop, Sophie. I hope you like it. I'll get down in the next few days and I will drop that off for you. So it's basically just, as I said, a thank you for having such a great store, fantastic staff, intentional pun, and just a really nice, safe place for any geeks and nerds in the community to be able to go and search for the things that they enjoy, all the different comics, collectibles, etc. You've got it all there. So cheers, Soph. You're a good egg, love. But for those of you that are along for the art and just for the drawing, thank you very much for stopping by. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then consider subscribing, because I still want to get my subscribers up to 400. That's the next landmark for me. So spread the word, get it out there, and more importantly, come back and see the next video that I do, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye for now.